Let's make a condition with strings. Let's say that I have a age equals to 50, language equals to English, right? And I want to give a condition if language equals to English, it's lowercase, and age equals to 20. Let's see, make it 20, and colon. We will print out you are good to go, man. Right, click enter. Yes, here it will print out the result that if both of these conditions are true, it will print out this condition here. Let's give another condition, elif language, again language equals to English, and age smaller than or less than 20, we would print out what, like age, years old are not allowed, like this one. Click enter. We will have a error here. Why? Because it says that we have a syntax error here. Yes, we will have to write the colon here, like here, not here. I have a previous background in PHP, that's why sometimes I mix them up. Yes, you will see that here I have no problem, but if I turn this to 10 and click enter, it will print out 10 years old are not allowed here. It will skip this condition here and throw or condition to this ones here. Age, years old are not allowed here. Let's give one more condition here with elif. If I want to use elif again here, I will type in name. Let's make it a bit specific. Name is equal to, for example, Mike, or age, like age. We will close the quotes here, or age is, age is greater than 30, right? And again I will type in and age is less than 40, colon. I will try to put something here. Print name, please go, you are an exception, right? If I type in enter, it will not print anything because right now we don't have a we haven't defined the condition based on these ones here. It isn't greater than 30 or between 30 and 40. That's why but it does not meet this condition here. But if I change this one to 34 and click enter, it will it will print out the error because name here is not defined. But if I just type in name equals like this one, I haven't defined the name here yet. I just define the blank quotes here. It will go, please go, you are an exception. It will allow us to enter to these conditions based on this age here because I have given or here, or operand here. But if I type in end and type in enter, it will print out nothing. It will not meet this requirement here because both of these conditions should be true here. But if I type in Mike here, Mike, and click enter, you could see it will print out the name and say Mike, please go, you are an exception. All the people between 30 and 40 years old with the name of Mike are open to this place here. This means like that. Let's try to give another conditions. It's called nested conditions. We usually use the nested if statements. Nested conditions, if you have an if statement inside of another if statement, which is called nested if statement. Let's see that we have a number called x equals to 300, and I want to give a condition if x is greater than 100 colon, and print, I will print out what above, like this, above 100, right? And click in comma here, and here I will type in another condition inside of these conditions. If x greater than 200, I will type in another print function and click and print, and above 200 here. And now I will try to go to the initial place and type in else. Here I will type in print like higher or lower number, right? Click enter. You could see that 300 is being printed within these conditions here because it requires, or it takes this argument first, these conditions, it meets to this requirement. As this condition is true, it's always either greater than 100 and it's greater than 200. It will print out both of these conditions here. But if we have a 30, it will give throw all to these conditions here. Let's type it again. And if I want to make it a bit dynamic, how should I do this? I want to print out these numbers here. I like change 100 and print it out these numbers dynamically here. I will type in, I know that I use these numbers here, I will just define them to the variables here. Y equals to 100, Z equals to 200, and change this one to Y and this one to Z, and click enter. Nothing will be changed, and I can even, after defining these ones to the variables, I can use these characters or variables here, like this one. Above, after above, I will close the bracket, and here I will type in Y, right? And after Y, I can even, for this comma, I can surround it like this one, about 100, right? And here again, this one, instead of 200, I can type in Z, and after Z I can surround this exclamation mark with saying the quote like this one. You'll see the result is the same. You can just avoid these ones if you don't want to make it complex a bit, like this one. Enter, it prints out that about 100 and about 200 here. And now we could also use not in conditions to print out the opposite result. We have already explained it. Let's see that I have a equals to 3, b equals to 7, and if I want to type an if not a greater than b, I will type in print out a is not greater than, here I will type in b, 3 is not greater than 7, right? Let's see that the shortcut of using if-else conditions. This way printing will be really useful for you in the future. What's the shortcut? Let's see that I use these variables here, a and 3, and I want to use a shortcut for the condition of it. I will type in print. Here I will type in yes if it's less than or greater than, otherwise no. If a is less than b, it will print out yes, otherwise it will print out like no. Click alt enter, it will print out yes. You can see that this condition also works well. You can even do it like this. I don't remember if I have explained you like we could define conditions like this way too. In that case we have defined both a and b to the 4. It basically means that a equals to 4 and b equals to 4. This basically is this syntax. This one means is this one's too. I think that I haven't explained it. I just told you that we have an option of defining the variables like this ones, like 3 and 4, but I haven't explained this way of introducing variables, but I'm explaining it right now. We have defined this value to both of these variables here, and now I want to print out what? A like is equal to b if a is equals to b, otherwise like no. Let's see what will it print. Click enter. 4 is equal to 4. If I type in 5, it will print out again 5 is equal to 5. You could see how it works. And the last one, let's see that for the name, how should we, for the strings, how will it work? Let's see, I have a name, John, right? And I have a surname called Rockefeller, right? And I want to print out this result based on the length. I want to print out the length. I want to print out the condition based on the length of these characters here. How should I do this? I will just type in print name if like length of the name is less than length of the surname, otherwise we will just type in no. If I click enter, Surname. Let's first run this one. I have a syntax error here. Surname. Click enter. You would print out name. Let's name. Yes. If this length of this name is less than the length of this surname, it will print out yes. Otherwise, no. If I just add a couple of characters here and run this one, you could see that this length is not greater than this one. That's why it will print out this condition here. You already know the length function. Length function just checks the length of the character. If I type in the length here, name, it will print out 11, while length of surname would print out what? The length of the surname here, 9. You could see. That's it for now. Thank you for watching this video. I think that you already have learned the use of conditions, and this is pretty enough for working and understanding the Python algorithms while working with Python libraries for extracting or cleaning the data. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel to see almost daily released videos. Have a good day. Bye.